is you have very good flexibility. You also have very good flexibility. So I think you have a bright future ahead of you. Kailangan lang talaga the strong partnering because love, it's a love dance. So you weren't really connecting with each other, you know? Parang kuya and little girl lang ng dating. So parang dating sa akin, parang a princess dancing with a Prince Charming, parang ganun ang dating, and rather than a sexy dance because you're so young. But other than that, you're very talented and you have a bright future and you're very pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Direk. Hey guys, Yvonne and Mark, maraming salamat for your performance. Thank you very much, Talent Scouts. Before we reveal tonight's winner, let's take one more look at those who passed your judgment.
Ang tipo kong babae parang
lumulubog sa oras, but the time is never right. No, it's never right.
Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more.
Nasa tabi ko ang mga talentadong nakapasa sa masusing pamimili ng Talent Scouts. Sa kanila ay lulusot at maaaring manalo ng 50,000. Sino kaya? Malalaman nyo na sa pagbabalik ng pinakamalaking talent show on television, ang Talentadong Pinoy. Congratulations, kayo ang haharap sa ating defending champions.
Baging sino ka man magwawagi sa tanghalan, champions kaya ay talunin, mapurnada ang Lucky Nine. Di pa kaya nauubusan, sobrang galing na tambalan. Bakit si Direk ay nag-request, hindi ba niya nagustuhan?
Something younger this time. Something from Glee. How about that?
Talentadong Pinoy number 1!
Talentadong Pinoy number 1!
Tuloy lang ang kasiyahan dito sa Talentadong Pinoy. Lahat ng 7 talentadong nag-perform ngayong gabi ay tatanggap ng 5,000 piso at gift packs. Ngunit, 6 na lang ang may pag-asa pang manalo ng 50,000 pesos. Pero yun ang mangyayari lamang kapag natalo nila ang ating defending champion, ang The Believers. The champions are waiting for their challenger. Sino kaya sa ating mga talentado ang nakakuha ng pinakamataas na score ngayong gabi? Congratulations! Kayo ang haharap sa ating defending champions, Yvonne and Mark! The rest of the talentados, thank you very much. Yvonne, Mark, please join me here. Sa ating ibang talentados, maraming salamat. Yvonne and Mark, congratulations. You will now face our champions, The Believers. Sa tuloy-tuloy nilang pagiging kampyon, may nagbago kaya sa buhay nila bilang mga estudyante. Alamin natin ang kwento.
First-year high school na pareho, si Fatima at Cheska.
Nagko-commute lang po ako ng jeep. Minsan po mahirap kasi po wala pong makitang jeep. Kahit po mahirap mag-commute, mahalaga po kasi sa akin yung pag-aaral. Kasi po wala po akong mararating kung wala po akong alam.
Dati daw mahiyain sila at may nang-aaway sa kanila.
Noon po, nung hindi po ako nagpe-perform sa Talentado, mahiyain po ako. Hindi pa po ako ganong sa malalapit sa friends. Yung naaway po sa akin dati mga Section B. Kasi po pagkatuwing may contest po doon sa aming school, kami po lagi ang nananalo. Siguro po nai-insecure.
Pero nagbago daw ang lahat nang maging tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang pagiging defending champion.
Marami na po akong friends, kilala na rin po ako. Kaya yun, di na rin po ako nahihiya. Pero po nung sumali ako sa Talentadong Pinoy, nabawasan po yung mga nang-aasal sa akin. Tsaka po, onti na lang po yung mga negative naging mahalaga po yun sa akin. Kasi po, bilang bata, gusto ko po na lagi pong positive yung sa akin, na nabibigay na comment sa akin. Yun po.
With more hopes to shine towards win number 9, please welcome our 8-time defending champions, our darling duo, The Believers.
There is a castle on a cloud. I like to go there in my sleep. On 20 floors for me to sweep. Not in my castle on a cloud. There is a lady all in white, holds me and sings a lullaby. She's nice to see and she's soft to touch. She says, Cosette, I love you very much. Oh help, I think I hear them now. And then I'm finished clapping, slipping and polishing the floor. Oh, it's her. It's Madame. Now look who's here.
The little madam herself, pretending once again she's been so awfully good.
But let me catch you slacking. Better not catch my eye. 10 rotten francs your mother sends me. What is going to buy?
Now take that pail, my little madam herself, and go and draw some fetch the water from the well.
Should have it in the first and first place. How stupid the things that to do. Like mother, like daughter that's come up the street.
So that Cosette, your tears will do you no good. I told you fetch some water from the well in the wood.
Please do not set me out alone. Not in the darkness on my...
Hey, about that, or I forget to be nice. You heard me ask for something and I never asked twice. Now go!
The Believers! Okay, Cheska, Fatima. Wally, napapakamot ka pare. Bakit?
Tumulo lang away ko. Totoo nga ang sabi ng misis ko. Sa TV lang namin kayo napapanood. Pero ngayon, eto nasa harap ko kayo. The Believers, saludo ako sa inyo.
Thank you, Wally. Tuesday.
Ay, nung gusto ko magkanak ng babae, gusto kong pangalanan ng Cosette. Pero alam niyong abang-aba talaga si Cosette sa Les Miserables at pobre, inaalipin ni Madam, inuutosang mag-igib. Ang galing! Nakakaloka! Wala na ako ibang masabi.
Inyo na to, inyo na lahat, inyo na. Go, ikaw na.
Thank you, Tuesday. What about you, Rufa?
Ito isa sa mga favorite ko action na ginawa nyo. Kasi may acting na kasali. And I really liked it. Nag-enjoy ako. Katulad niya, talaga napangangarin ako. Kulang na lang punasan ko na yung laway ko. Dahil ang galing. I really enjoyed it. Pagpatuloy nyo yan.
Thank you, Rufa.